Welcome to Business 360 Operations and Project Management. It's the course trailer. I am Mohammad Salman Bilal, your instructor. Happy learning. Sequence of course trailer comprises of three factors. First one is the faculty course overview. Second and third one is methodology. Why we are communicating you the concept of course trailer? Because we want you to make an informed decision. Who will be teaching, what he will be teaching, and how, meaning by methodology of that particular teacher. So the instructor in this case is myself. LinkedIn connection if you want to connect. Right now I am helping a few companies in consultant mode. Those are in front of you: Saudi Aramco, Fored, McDermott, Next Schlumberger, and PMI USA. I've got my credentials from US and my degrees from UET. Those have the expiry dates as you can see over there. Knowledge manager and workshop facilitator is my prime job, while instructor faculty is the service which I perform over here. C claim by Cardley acknowledged that I have pioneered the ATP status in Premier Band in Punjab a year before. These are the companies where I served initially in engineering manager role and then as a knowledge manager. Schlumberger in France, Saudi, Malaysia, Qatar, Pakistan, agrochemical fertilizer in Dhaarki, and in offshores and onshores for different companies including Shell, Petronas, etc. So why I'm passionate about it? Because I believe knowledge isn't power until it is applied. That's why I offer myself for research and the initial pilot test runs of Agile Hybrid Project Pro, micro-credential and business analysis exams, etc. So these credentials help me in becoming better instructor and to help my students in a proficient way. My philosophy is very simple. Participatory methods are more important, so we have to concentrate more on these, meaning by role play, case studies, and workbooks, etc. Deeping philosophy will be applied over here, and peer support will be offered to you, caring through mentoring of the instructor and helping you to learn how to learn. So let's move to course overview. You can see these are the salient features of the course, but over here I won't be explaining them because you need to go to the other document attached to know the details. But over here we need to understand that operations and projects are placed within the same management paradigm. You see, for the recurring activities, operations is more important, but if you want to take challenges and to improve productivity, then you have to go for the projectized activities. My approach over here is very simple: basic understanding through the textbook standards, then applicability for the effective knowledge, think global, act local approach, and we need to move ahead from these efficient and effective to the intelligent mode where you should create something unique. Here you can see the operations. They obviously need efficiency, and your effectiveness will adapt those to go for some new project for productivity, as I told you, or for excellence, and that requires intelligence. Like in operations management, the business analyst that might be from computer sciences, biotechnology, marketing, sales, finance, accounts, HR, anybody. They will be part of that cross-functional team, and you being the operations strategist or manager will definitely work on initiating, forecasting, producing, and deciding for the plant and process layouts. Of course, with the help of the supply chains, and the supply chains are dependent on inventories, safety, and logistics. Obviously, these will culminate into quality assurance, meaning by process should be quality loaded, and the quality control, meaning by Six Sigma, etc. And just-in-time approach with the 7 waste. This will eventually give you the service and the value delivery. So the whole course will be covering these aspects. Now, last but not the least, the methodology. These are the marks distribution details in front of you. The course methodology, of course, requires the basic textbook with the slides readings, assignments, research-based and field-oriented, case studies loaded with the class discussion, workbooks with the role play, projects, Viva-based review from me, office discussions, idea generation, taking help from other courses, and ideally reaching to the point where you should self-compass yourself for object-oriented, proficient, futuristic approach in your life. And all of these are basically grouted into the D-Fink philosophy. Foundational knowledge is tested through, is communicated through text and the slides, application with the help of assignments, integration once you study the case study, quizzes. Human dimension is loaded with the role play and the workbook. Peer support, I help you in getting your buddy, your groups, your subgroups, and Vivas in the office for the discussion comes under the caring, and learning how to learn is basically critique how to make use of other courses so that you can compass yourself, your career, and find your objective in life. Of course, for the medical support, Mercy Health, and for the counseling, as far as the career is concerned, we have the advancement office in our university. Thank you very much.